How to sell more product online using affiliate marketing programs. Successful affiliate marketers can make thousands of dollars in commission payments every month. In order to succeed in the field, you need to be aware of affiliate scams to avoid and effective marketing techniques to use. This video presents some of the top tips that all affiliate marketers need to know. To check on the quality of the company you are considering working for, you should pretend to be a customer and try their phone order system. If you have a bad experience, chances are the customers you refer to them will have the same impression and end up not buying anything. Do not hesitate to run a demo account. By using a demo account along with your real account, you can test the waters on alternate trades and possible stops. This can allow you to see if you are being conservative in your positioning or whether you can work with different currency pairings to evaluate their potential. The best affiliate marketing partners to work with are those that provide copious communication with their webmasters. Affiliates that have established robust customer service and feedback systems are easier to work with than fly-by-night advertisers. Partnering with affiliates that have plenty of support available will cut down on the hassle website owners have to go through to make affiliate marketing pay off. Only deal with affiliate companies that appreciate your efforts. Check with various companies to see if they offer bonuses for numbers of customers, loyalty bonuses, or any other type of reward system. You will be working hard as an affiliate, so make sure you go with a service that allows you to reap the benefits of your labor. By considering, implementing and expanding on the affiliate marketing advice and ideas found in the tips presented in this video, you should be able to develop a profitable affiliate marketing plan of action, carry it out and be on your way to becoming a master of the affiliate marketing world. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.